So hey guys, it's Teacher Dad. So today I'm going to be talking about something that I'm starting to get into here with my father, and we're going to be doing some beekeeping. This is one of the designs that my father has built here off of some of the designs that we've seen online. And so I'm going to talk about some of the differences of different types of hives, this hive in particular, or this box, and how it works. And so over the next couple of videos, I'll be talking about some of the different ways if you wanted to build one of these on your own, if you wanted to find out more information about how this type of a hive works, some of the benefits of this type of a design. So stay tuned, and we'll get going with this video and show you how this works. This type of a hive is known as a Layens design, and the difference is most traditional type hives that you would see, the vertical upright type hives, they are referred to as a Langstroth design. And there are some pros and cons to both of these designs. So the design of this box is made so that the bees have their slot that's available there in the front, and they're able to enter the hive. This is actually going to be set up as a two-sided hive. There's a divider that goes down through the middle. Then when you open the hive, this is on a hinge so that it makes it a little bit easier. Some of these designs, you just would remove the top of the box and set it aside, but my dad has used a hinge along with a wire here to just keep the lid here as it shows here. So the main advantage of this particular type of design is that when you open this lid, there is no access for the bees to get out through the top of this box. Each of these is a frame, and the bees have various functions that they perform in each of the frames. Normally they would have their brood, or where the queen would be and where they would lay their eggs in one of the frames here towards the end, and then they will start building their comb and adding honey into these various combs. And then for the bees, they would actually use that to survive over the winter months. So a couple of advantages of this particular type of design is that the bees do not actually have access to you doing anything until you pull one of these frames out. And now what happens is, when you've pulled this frame out, the only access are the bees that would be living on this particular frame right here, or the bees that would be accessible now to come out through this opening. But again, once you have this hive established, all of these frames are going to be full of bees and full of honey as they continue building this design. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you want to see more about this coming up in the future. I'll be talking about how this box was actually designed and built. I have plans that I'll link down in the description. This is a part of an organization or part of a website called horizontalhive.com. I'll make sure that I post that information down there. You can find plans for this particular type of design. Also, there is another type of design that's similar to this. It's called a long Langstrom design, and it's designed for those type of vertical boxes that they could potentially be put into a size or a frame like this, or a hive like this. So there's also plans for that particular style on there as well. But again, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down in the description. So if you like this particular video and want to see anything like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps us know what kind of content people are interested in, and we'll see you again on the next one.